Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello viewers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily. Myself Brijesh Bhatia. Well, metals has been on a roll since the start of 2021, and if you remember, I did a video in 2021 start stating that this year could be the year for metals, and metals was one of the outperforming, gaining around 70%. 2022 the bullish momentum continued, and even I have done a video when CNX metal index was trading somewhere around 53-5400. It went to touch 5200 below levels and back now to the all-time high of about 65-6600 now. What as an investor you should do? Should you book profits, or should you continue to ride the rally? Well, if you are following commodities closely, we have seen copper prices coming back towards 100 on MCX futures, aluminum and nickel prices being volatile, seen some profit bookings, zinc slow and steady after a retracement indicating a positive momentum again, and this mixed bags into the metal space is going on for quite some time. But as an equity investor, those who have bought metals, I think there are some charts what indicate that you should continue to hold. But till when? Let's look at the chart one by one. Okay, if you look at the first chart, this is the CNX metal weekly chart, and if you look at the momentum over here, it broke the all-time high, the green line, and continued its bullish momentum for a few months now. Now after the consolidating for around 3-4 months, it is again breaking out at consolidation level of around 6000 levels now, and it has been going very strong, considering that even the metals prices are in a narrow range, or a profit booking is witnessed in base metal prices into the COMEX as well as LME. Metal index into the Nifty is gaining strong momentum as of now. So I think this bullish breakout could continue to lead higher into the metal space, and there could be a dip towards 6000, which is around 8-9%, I think, to retest those breakout levels, because generally markets tend to retest these breakout and then tend to resume the bullish momentum. But if you look at the lower panel over here, the RSI, the blue lines, it has given a bullish crossover about the previous resistance, which means that the bullish range shift is visible into the RSI. Plus MACD has given a positive crossover. Again, this indicates that the weekly scale chart is indicating a bullish trend continuing into the metal space. If I look at the daily chart, again, if you look at it went higher, we saw retracement slightly lower, but now the bullish momentum has been resuming again onto the metal index, which indicates that yes, still as we have seen markets coming back very strongly from 15,700 levels to now 18,000 plus levels, metals, one of the most outperforming index, is continuing its bullish momentum. But is it outperforming against the Nifty? Let's look at the metal index to Nifty chart or ratio chart over here, and this is slightly worrying for me, because if I just look at this ratio chart, it is been resisting around the red previous highs, red line. If you look at the horizontal red line, it's been resisting around this level, and that's the reason I think there could be a slightly sign of cautious for me that markets might retest the previous breakout level. And there is a possibility that some of the other indices, like we saw the Reliance been gaining momentum, HDFC Twins this week gaining momentum, IT has been gaining momentum, and that's the reason Nifty is strongly outperforming against the metal index in last few weeks. Now it's been resisting at the previous juncture, and once that is taken out, I think the bullish momentum could continue on the higher side. So at current point of time, you should definitely continue to hold and buy the dips into the metal space. Signing off, Brijesh.